Let's first use a multimeter to measure. O, D, 5000 C Ru, 6006 Co, O 1000 C Ru, Own Caton, our multimeter, switch back to our beep gear, common. Then we'll test it, it has a total of 3 legs. These 2 feet are connected, press it down, it's disconnected. And then these 2 corners are disconnected. It works by pressing down, so this is good. Then, here are the marked ones. Of course, this thing is not professional, and ordinary people cannot understand it, so just use your appearance to test it. Press to disconnect, and then these 2 feet. These 2 feet are, disconnect and press to turn on, so it's normal. If you press these 2 feet differently, it's broken, or press these 2 feet down, it's also bad. It didn't work. Let's take it apart now. Take a look at what structure is inside. It's like this. When you press it, the bottom is conducting. It's disconnected from above. When you don't press it, it's conductive on top. What is the problem with it? That's it, or the current is too high or something. These 2 feet, it's burning and sticking together. You can't press it down, or after pressing it down, these 2 horns are burned together and connected together. It won't bounce back, won't bounce back. And that's how this works. That's all there is inside. Actually, it's very simple. It's just 2 metal plates. That's all for today's switch sharing.